Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? It's been so long. Trust me, I haven't put up any video in so many days. Means I haven't shot any video particularly for YouTube. The reason is for I was just focusing on Instagram, and as a few collaboration brands happened there, so I was super happy and I was focused to continue my work and grow the more followers. Hence YouTube ki taraf I wasn't paying much attention. I could not able to, but nevertheless apart, today I am here. And without rambling about other things, let me tell you, this video is all about the face palette you need for your lifetime. Trust me, you're gonna thank me about this when you will see this palette. This palette is not just about your eyes or your little bit this, little bit that. It covers your entire face, and it is in such an affordable range and such a good quality palette. Trust me, you are definitely going to thank me. So without this long intro, let's get started towards video. So glitter palettes वैसे भी in है, and previously my one video is going getting lot much views, that is from the company United Shades of Glitter from Root Cosmetics, and it is this palette which I've reviewed back, and आपने अब तक देखा नहीं होगा तो please go check it out. It is also one of the good palettes and an affordable range, and that video is doing well, so I think you should check out. मैं link कहीं पे डाल दूँगी description box में, do check out. But today's baby is right here with me. This is You Can Be Pretty All Set palette. Now trust me, this is one beautiful baby over here, and this is its outer cotton, and when you open up, it is having this sliding, and the original packaging, it's again this pretty titty baby. Yeah, look at this. And यहीं पे ही ख़त्म नहीं होता है. Let me just show you. It is, ta-da, one, two, and three. Look at this, it is so big. Oh my god, can you just see the all colors it's having? All the shades in the world you need. It is having everything, babies. It is, and the best part, it is foldable. It is very compact. It can go into your bag very easily. You can carry it everywhere. Lightweight, and so much affordable range, everything. Now let's just start. First thing, कि ये कहाँ से मिला, कितने में मिला. So first of all, I got this beautiful shadow palette. Rather, it's a face palette. I got it from the Cups and Lashes, ये जो है मिसेस निधि कटियार का जो ये वेबसाइट है, उनके थ्रू मुझे मिला है. शी इज़ ऑल्सो एन अमेजिंग ब्यूटी ब्लॉगर एज वेल एज एन कंपनी ओनर ऑफ कप्स एंड लैशेस. सो वहाँ से मुझे ये मिला है, और आपको ये अमेज़ॉन पे भी मिल जाएगा, और आपको यू कैन बी के साइट या उनके इंस्टाग्राम पेज से भी आपको मिलेगा, बट द चार्जेस हर जगह पर आपको अलग अलग दिखेंगे. From Cups and Lashes, I got this with the price of around 1800, and its original price is 2499, but again discounts goes on, so it will be available at 1799 rupees. Another at Amazon if you want to purchase, but वहाँ पे काफ़ी pricey है. It comes around 4321 या 4000 के आसपास या 4500 के आसपास ये आपको मिलेगा. सो प्राइसेस काफ़ी डिफरेंट है. इवन इट इज़ अवेलेबल ऑन फ्लिपकार्ट एज वेल, बट अगेन most of the places it's going sold out because it is that good. And secondly, I know the lockdown is on, ये आप ऑर्डर अभी नहीं कर पाओगे मे बी, लेकिन जैसे ही लॉकडाउन ओपन अप हो जाते हैं, आप इसको कार्ट में डाल दो एंड देन यू कैन गेट योर हैंड्स ऑन. सो नाउ लेट जस्ट जंप इनटू, ये तो हो गया प्राइसेस. सेकेंडली, सो या आउटर कार्टन कुछ ऐसा है. इस पे आपको टोटल नंबर ऑफ शेड्स, सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ शेड इज 86 इन इट. वील गो इनटू डिटेल्स. आई swatch also each and every shade for you. And again the little details about what it is, all colors and everything, then their ingredients are also mentioned. And it is made into China. Yeah, it is a brand of China, guys. They make things. What we can do, they make things. So yeah, it is made in China product. Lot many things are made in China, so yeah. And shelf life is again like 3 years का shelf life आता है. It is made in 2020, so it is now shelf life is about 23. So it is 3 years. कोई भी eyeshadow palette आप ले लो, 3 to 4 years तक का उसका एक्सपायरी रहेगा. बट ये आपको काफ़ी लंबा चलता है. सो इट्स अप टू यू हाउ मच यू यूज़. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, एक बार आप ये लो, आपको किसी भी eyeshadow palette की ज़रूरत नहीं, किसी की भी नहीं है. सो नाउ लेट्स जस्ट मूव ऑन. क्या है अंदर? So ऐसे आपको 3 sections, it is having 3 different sections, and all of the 3 contains, first section is about neutral colors, and this sections contains 30 colors almost. It is called as warming up. All the warm tones are here. Middle portion is again the light up, a little light colors, and the third portion is the color splashes. So it is having wonderful colors, all the rainbow colors in the world, you will get it. And in सब में है कि they are having mattes. Here you can see the mattes, here you can see the shimmer range, a little bit of satin, again the warm neutrals along with satins. The middle row again, and the first one here is all your neutrals और warm tones जो आप daily यूज़ के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हो. and कोई funk look आपको create करने हो तो उसके लिए भी ये है. and in between they have the very subtle colors like this baby pink. I tell you, I have created the looks. You can check the other my videos जहाँ पे मैंने इसको लेके looks create किए हैं, and it will give you the best look you will have. You know, affordable range में भी आप high quality looks create कर सकते हो. ऊपर की तरफ आपको यहाँ पे कॉन्टोर, ब्लश एंड हाइलाइटर मिल रहा है. सो यहाँ पे 2 हाइलाइटर्स है. वन इज़ इन लिटिल बिट लाइटर, वन इज़ इन डार्क शैम्पेनी कलर, देन डार्क ब्लश, डार्क लाइट पिंक ब्लश, लाइट पिंक, एंड वन इज़ लिटिल बिट फॉर मीडियम टू फेयर स्किन टोन के लिए ब्रॉन्जर, एज वेल एज थोड़ा सा डार्क कॉन्टोर भी आप इससे कर सकते हो. रेस्ट एवरी अदर, एंड दीज आर द very beautiful, you know, 5 shades of glitter also they have provided. So all in all, it is power packed. It is power packed. So yeah, one by one we will see each and every row. So first I am going to start with each and every row, and I'll go accordingly. आपको swatches पता चल जाएंगे. So first row I swatched, you can see the warm, all the colors, and here is all the colors out there. These are super pigmentation, guys. You get all the pigmentation. Now I'll swatch this row, and then I'll swatch this row. I'll swatch everything and then I'll show you again. So just for your reference, I'll swatch for you here, like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I'll just show you, and I think it's perfect. 1, this one swatch for you guys, one swatch, and oh my god, look at this, look at this. Then this amazing, they have dual chrome, again this little copper, and this is a little bronzy. Can you see? This is all the beautiful shades, all are that beautiful. Likewise, let's move on to further, and now I'm going to swatch the remaining. Next row is all everything matte. So right in front of you, I want to do everything in front of your eyes. So again, 1, these are all warm colors, you all warm tones. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let me just swatch this color. So here again, yeah, one, wow, two, second row, three, yeah, very well, four. Oh my god, this copper color, this is really bomb. And next is pink. This is all one swipe, and these are also very good pigmented colors. Next row again is a neutral color, which is one of my favorite because these are very everyday colors which you need in your daily wears. Trust me, you need it in your daily wears. So these are all. So I'm gonna swatch it here again. So let me just swatch it. Yeah, here. 4, 1, 2. This is also beautiful. I don't know whether it's very skin tone color. It's very close to my skin tone, hence you cannot make out this. And later this is a little bit dark, and then chocolatey brown kind of, yeah, this is that. And then is orange, like totally orange. So this is like burnt orange. Look at this is again a skin tone color. These are beautiful mattes, these are beautiful mattes you need. So yeah, this is the row, beautiful mattes. We are remaining with the last row, and then we'll finish off the warming up. Yeah, so this is the last row of colors, and these are also very including, they have shimmers, they have mattes. So yeah, all the warm tones are swatched over here. You can see little bit shimmers are also there, then warm tones are also there, and little you know this. So it is all in all very very beautiful warm tones, let me tell you. And let's move on to the so are you excited for the colors? I am, absolutely. Now let me show you this. So I will swatch this 1, 2 and 3 right way. Now I'm going to swatch this 2 rows. So let's just start. So just see, 2, 3, 4, just one finger swatch, 5. Oh my god, these are so prettily and heavily pigmented, man. These are superbly pigmented, superbly pigmented. You are going to thank me for this, for sure. So now let's switch the remaining. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another colors, orange, purple little bit, and the pinks. Bomb.com. So first 2 rows are swatched. Let me just show you side by side. These are the rows, and these are the pigmentations of the first 2 rows. Now I'm gonna swatch the second row. So this is the second row, topmost, from blue, light blue, dark green, light green, the lightish blue, and the yellow tones. These are also superbly pigmented, guys, superbly pigmented. Let me just show you again side by side. So this is the second row. Let me tell you, this is the second row with the greens and the yellows and everything. Yeah, this is the second row, and last row we're gonna swatch it now. So this is the last row of the colors, the insanely beautiful blues, the blues which you need to create on your eyes, baby. These you need. Let me just show you side by side. This is the last row which you are seeing it, and it is beautifully pigmented, hardly any fallout, even not the fallouts are even not there. So overall, these are the colorful shadows, and the these are their swatches side by side. Now let's move on to the middle row, and you're gonna die for this. I have this makeup removing cloth which makes the job quite easy. This is also one of my Amazon finds and it is very handy, trust. So I will be swatching to these upper rows and two lower rows first to show the eyeshadows, and then we will move to the face contours and blushes and highlighter palettes. Okay, so first I am going to start with the lower row, which is more of a neutral. So the last row is like this. These are the top colors, like right from your blue, teal, dark teal, and this all glitter. Oh my god, this is really purple pink glitter. It is having dual chromatic look. The golden glitter, the red glitter, these are bomb. And then you get very beautiful, these colors are my favorite range because they're so pigmented and awesome. Then you have this satin sheen, which can be used as a highlighter as well. These are having beautiful dual monochromatic look, and these the colors like purples, and basically these are the neutral tone colors, and these also gonna look amazing when you have to create the matte shadows, blendability khas karke your crease colors. So these are again beautiful. Let me just show you side by side how they look on my hands. These are the purple and the glitter ones, then the pinks and these ones, then these shimmer ones, and the last are these. Now remaining these two, these three, and these three. So this is like three face colors. Like this is the bronzer, this is for deeper skin tone like dark brown, dark pink, and this is little champagne color. Then this is very light, look at this color, this is very close to my skin tone. So this is for the medium to light skin, very nice bronzer color. The very beautiful pink blush color, and the highlighter. This is amazing highlighter, let me tell you. This silver pop is gonna bright your inner corners like hell. Yeah, this silver one, this is the lower and this is the upper one. So all in all, it is one beautiful palette, and the packaging is also very bomb, very handy and very lightweight. It comes with that plastic sheet inside, which I lost, but trust me, it's going to be your game changer. Thank you so much for watching till now. Here the video was a bit long because it was difficult to show all the shades and swatches, but I hope this will help you to get the perspective about the palette and everything. Trust me, it is very good palette. I have created so many looks out of it. You can check my looks on my Instagram page. I will be providing my link below, so you can go there and check it out. And if you really like the video, then do subscribe, and hence I could able to give you more such updates with the makeup products. And hit that bell icon as well, so that you will be get notified each time I post the video. And love you all.